Hi brothers and sisters, in today's video I'm going to show you how to share our website so people come and visit it. Okay, so the step number 5 is sharing our website, and we're going to learn how to share our site on Facebook using Weebly, how to share our site on our Facebook page, how to share our site on Google, how to share our site every time we write a blog. And finally, we're going to learn how to share our site on YouTube. At the end of this video, I included a section where I go into more detail on how you change that image that Facebook takes on your website. The first step in Weebly is when you publish the page. You get this option that you can share it on Facebook. So you click on that. And here what it does is it takes the first image from the home page. And in this case is the image of the children's ministry. As I have mentioned before, if you go to the description box, you can see a link where I explain in detail how to change that image and how to change the text that Facebook displays. The second way of sharing our website is in our business page in Facebook. This is a Facebook page of a church. If you can see in the information area, they put their website. So here you should put your Weebly website URL. Another way of sharing our website is going to Google and type in the name of your church. And then when you see the search results, you will find the place where it says your church name and your address. I did a search of Christian church in Chicago, and I found this church, Iglesia Cristiana Verbo, and it gives you the option to add a website. So you can click on add a website, and there you can put the URL of your Weebly site. You have to prove that you are the owner of that property. I just did it here as an example, but I'm going to put cancel. The next way to sharing our website is if you are a pastor who writes devotionals frequently or puts your preaching weekly, you can share that blog. You can go to the blog area. In this case, our page is called devotionals. And when we publish the blog, we can go to that blog that we just published. And there, every time we publish it, we change the image and we copy the URL and we go to Facebook and we create a post and we paste that URL, and Facebook takes that image and also gives a description and our website. If you write a blog frequently, then it's good to make it a habit to share it on Facebook every time you write it. Another way to share our website is on YouTube. If you have a YouTube channel for your church or for your business, you can go here to studio.youtube.com and click on customization. And here you get this tab where it says basic info. And here it's important to put a description of the church. And here there is a section that says links. And there's a plus signs where it says add a link. You have to click there and put the name of the church. And then you go to Weebly and you copy the URL of the website. And then you click on paste. And to save it, you click here on publish. Here on YouTube, there is another place. Every time you put a video in content, there is a description box where you can put the link to visit your website. Here we're going to go in more detail how to deal with the situation that weebly take the first image that we have on our website, and in our case is the image of the children's ministry, and what we want to do is to change it every month. So we're going to the home page, and we have a white background and a gray background. So I'm going to create a section between those two sections. And we're going to go to build and drag a section. And we're going to select a gallery. And here weebly gives you options where you can put different layout of images. I like this a lot. You can add a single image or you can add a few images. I'm going to select something simple, and we're going to see that one. Okay, good. It brings 3 images. I want that background to be the gray color, so they alternate in colors, the sections. So we're gonna go here to this section and click on edit background and change color, and we can see that the gray color is F8, F8, F8. We're gonna copy that, and we're going to the section we just added, and we're gonna click on edit background, change color, and we're gonna paste that here. And we click outside. Okay. I'm gonna check that it changed it because I cannot see it. Yes, it did. When we select that section, it becomes gray, but now it's really gray. Okay, so let's just change the title. And we're gonna put current series. And that's the preaching that is going on right now. Okay, and I'm gonna get a flyer that I made for a Bible study. I click on the image and replace it. It's a Bible study of the book of James. Okay, and I'm gonna erase that because I don't want to change that every month. I just wanted to change the image. Okay, now when we share it on Facebook, we see that it got the correct image, but the text it has a generic text, and I'm going to show you where you can change that. Okay, so in Weebly, we go to settings, SEO, and this is the text that it gets, the site description. So we can change this every month or put something that will work with all the series. We can put the name of the series, the name of the church, and the name of the series. So we're gonna change it to, I'm just gonna put something generic for now. Okay, and to change it, we need to click on save at the bottom. If you click on publish, it doesn't change it. So you have to put save, and then you click publish. And when you share it on Facebook, yeah, it didn't change the text. It's not doing it. So I'm going to show you a trick on what to do when you want Facebook to doesn't update our images or our text when we share an image. There is a place where it's called developers.facebook.com where you write the name of the website, and then when you click on scrape, it shows you the image that Facebook is sharing, and I put that scrape, and now it's showing the right information because this forces Facebook to update it. So when I shared it on Facebook, now it shows the correct text. This finishes the series on how to build a website for your church using Weebly. Next time I'm going to talk how I created a logo for this website. And I'm going to mention some things I forgot to say when I was recording these videos. Blessings.